To begin, choose the cell where you want the result to appear. This is important because Excel always displays the answer in the cell where the formula is entered. Once the cell is selected, press the equal key. This tells Excel that you are about to enter a formula rather than plain text or a number. After typing the equal sign, click on the first cell that contains a value you want to add. As soon as you do this, Excel automatically inserts the cell reference into the formula. This is useful because it reduces typing errors and ensures accuracy. Next, type the plus symbol, which tells Excel that you want to perform an addition. Now click on the second cell that contains the next number. At this point, the formula clearly tells Excel to add the value from the first cell to the value from the second cell. Once everything looks correct, press Enter. The result will immediately appear in the selected cell, confirming that the calculation was successful. This same structure applies to other calculations as well. By changing the mathematical symbol, you can subtract, multiply, or divide values using the exact same process. Understanding this basic formula structure makes working in Excel much faster and more efficient. Once the first calculation is complete, you can save time by copying the formula to other rows instead of rewriting it. Click on the cell that contains the completed formula. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until a small cross appears. This is called the fill handle.